Soil, the foundation of life on Earth. Soil is one of the most valuable natural resources on our planet. It is the thin layer that covers most of the Earth's land surface and supports plant life, which in turn supports animal life and human life. Without soil, there would be no forests, no farms, and no food system as we know it, although many people think of soil as just dirt. It is actually a complex, living, and dynamic natural system. Soil plays a critical role in agriculture, water storage, climate regulation, and ecosystems. It takes hundreds to thousands of years to form, but it can be degraded or destroyed in a very short time if not cared for properly. Understanding soil is therefore essential for sustainable development and environmental protection. Now we will understand what is soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's crust where plants grow. It is a mixture of mineral particles from broken rocks, organic matter, decomposed plants and animals, water and air, and living organisms, bacteria, fungi, insects, worms, etc. A healthy soil usually contains about 45% of minerals, 5% of organic matter, and 25% of water, and 25% of air. This balance allows plants to grow well. Soil is not dead material, it is full of life. A single handful of soil can contain millions of microorganisms. Soil formation. Soil formation is very slow and continuous process. It can take hundreds or even thousands of years to just form a few centimeters of soil. This process is called weathering and soil development. Now, what is weathering of rocks? Soil begins with rocks. Rocks break down into simple pieces due to physical weathering, temperature changes, wind, water, and ice. Number 2 is chemical weathering, reactions with water, oxygen, and acids. Biological weathering, plants and organisms breaking rocks. Number 2 is addition of organic matter. When plants and animals die, their remains decompose and mix with mineral particles. This forms humus, a dark nutrient-rich material that improves soil fertility. Number 3 is soil horizons. As soil develops, it forms layers called horizons. Number 1 is topsoil, a horizon, rich in humus and nutrients, best for plant growth. Subsoil, B horizon, contains minerals leached from topsoil. Parent material, C horizon, withered rock fragments, bedrock, solid rock beneath the soil. Now the factors affecting the soil formation. Several factors influence how soil forms. First is parent rock. This type of rock determines the soil's mineral content and mixture. Number 2 is climate. Temperature and rainfall affect weathering and decomposition. Warm and wet climates often produce thicker soils. Number 3 is relief, topography. Slope affects soil depth. Steep slopes lose soil due to erosion, while flat areas accumulate soil. Number 4 is organisms. Plants, animals, and microorganisms help break down material and add organic matter. Number 5 is time. Soil formation is extremely slow. Older soils are usually more developed. Types of soils by texture. Soil texture depends on the size of particles. Number 1 is sandy soil. Sandy soil have large particles, drains water quickly, low nutrient retention, easy to cultivate, and good for crops, needing good drainage. Number 2 is clayey soil. Very small particles, holds water well, rich in nutrients, poor drainage, can become sticky. Number 3 is silty soil. Medium-sized particles, smooth texture, fertile, and holds moisture better than sand. Number 4 is loamy soil. Mixture of sand, silt, and clay. Ideal for farming, good drainage and nutrient retention, best soil for most crops. Now major soil types, geographical classification. Alluvial soil, found in river plains, very fertile, good for crops like rice and wheat, and formed by river deposits. Next, black soil, rich in clay and minerals, good for cotton farming, retains moisture well. Next is red soil, rich in iron, red color due to iron oxide, less fertile but can be improved. Laterite soil, found in high rainfall areas, rich in iron and aluminium, suitable for tea, coffee, and cashew. Desert soil, sandy and dry, low organic matter, requires irrigation. Mountain or forest soil, found in hilly areas, rich in organic matter, varies with altitude. Importance of soil. Now, soil is essential for life and human survival. First is agriculture. Soil provides nutrients, water, and support for crops. All food production depends on soil. Number 2 is water storage and filtration. Soil absorbs rainwater and filters impurities, helping recharge the groundwater. Number 3, habitat for organisms. Soil is home to countless organisms that decompose waste and recycle nutrients. Number 4 is climate regulation. Soil stores carbon and help regulate greenhouse gases. Number 5 is construction and raw materials. Soil is used to make bricks, pottery, and building foundations. What is soil erosion now? Soil erosion is the removal of topsoil by natural forces. The causes are water, like rain and floods, wind, deforestation, overgrazing, improper farming, and construction activities. What are the effects? Loss of fertile soil, reduced crop yield, desertification, flooding, and water pollution. Soil conservation. Soil conservation means protecting soil from erosion and degradation. What are the methods? First is afforestation, planting trees to hold soil with roots. Terrace farming, steps made on hills reduce runoff. Number 3, counter plowing. Plowing along counter lines slows water flow. Number 4 is crop rotation. Growing different crops maintains nutrients. Number 5 is strip cropping. Alternate strips of crops reduce erosion. Number 6, shelter belts. Rows of trees reduced wind speed. Number 7 is proper irrigation. Avoid overwatering to prevent salinity and erosion. Soil pollution. The soil pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate soil. Now, what are the causes? Industrial waste, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, plastic waste, oil spills, and mining. Effects: reduced fertility, harm to organisms, contaminated crops, health risk. Sustainable soil management. To protect soil for the future, use organic fertilizers, reduce chemical use, practice sustainable farming, avoid deforestation, manage waste properly, and encourage awareness and education. So, what are the interesting facts about the soil? Soil contains more living organisms than people on earth. 1 tablespoon of soil may contain billions of bacteria. Soil helps clean water naturally. It can take 1,000 years to form 1 inch of topsoil. About 95% of our food comes from the soil. So the conclusion is, soil is the silent supporter of life on earth. It grows our food, filters our water, stores carbon, and supports ecosystems. Yet it is often overlooked and mistreated. Because soil forms very slowly but can be lost quickly, protecting it is crucial. If we want a sustainable future with enough food, clean water, and a stable environment, we must respect and conserve our soil. Every small action, planting trees, reducing chemicals, and preventing erosion, helps protect this priceless resource. So soil is not just the ground beneath our feet, it is the foundation of life itself.